Today we were showing to how to install the shaker. This offer tool with this shaker that we just open with the books. Now you can see here most the roller, this standard roller, and this special part for the lamp. Okay, and this cover, some tools, and also replacement parts inside. That's the rollers, and another one should be inside with the machine. So later we can move the machine up, then we can take out. This also that the cover. That's the powder. Okay. So firstly we should be to move on. That's the machine that we can get another seat that is inside because here that this power cable already connected inside the machine. Okay, some other version already have a plug, so you should be plug with also inside that's the machine. So that's best your version of the shaker. Okay, let's step. We can try to install both of the tool. Okay, now we can see here mostly already our screw that's lock already in the body, so we should be more all of them out here to front side. Once we already turned off a little bit, so you were made ready a tool. The screwdriver. Okay, and also another side, take out all the screw. Okay, the next step we should be install this standard and the roller for the machine. Okay, and this two roller should be in front side. So next step we should be install this standard and this two roller for the machine. So we are ready to turn the machine around. Okay, just a little carefully. Okay. Then these two should be in the back side and these two in the front side. Just take a second. I can turn to by our hands. Okay, make sure this is already in place of these two rollers. Okay, so we'll try to set up. Okay. So the next step we should be ready to install these two rollers. Okay, so we need to ready two of these two standard. Okay, this is for the left side and this one for the right side. Use a screw to drive back. So we install the both sides, already finished the right side, and the next we try to install the left side. Okay. And okay, finish. That already finished the left side. So we will get 2 of this roller, and that should be standard for both sides. Okay, loosen this screw out. Yeah, so let's be installed here. Open this box to be check. Okay. Standard should be installed like this side. So normally we need to loosen this screw little bit, and there's rolled in, and for okay, so this will should be stored here. After that, we can be loading this screw for each rollers. Okay, let's finish the left side. So you will be needed a little more adjustment to have moving this roller to be complete. Okay, the next step we change to right side. So this will be finished install. Later, even we're ready to working with the printer, that we need to radio roller for here, showing here. Okay. So, okay. The next step will be to install not a roller. This one for control. That's the fan driving out the place of the inside, and that's the lamp. Okay, just same moving this out and get. So you can see here both have 2 or 3. This have 3 holes. Normally we just here sitting down. So this will be complete, and then later that we can get this roller within this. Loosen this screw a little bit, that we can sit and loading. So here even you can see there have 2 roller already within. Easy to be a little more of adjustment by the width of with our film. So that be easy to adjustment at that, to make sure that's film inside the middle of the oven. Okay, that we already finished to install the shaker. This step here, this one are mostly we need to change this one. Okay, the next step that will be should be so setting this one or receiving the powder. Use the screw to move them. and okay. And just ready. We can so set in the both side here. Now we can see just under this part, even with shaking the powder, like can be receiving. Okay. Okay. Even we finished to install this shaker, that's this step we're try to test in the machine. That you can see that the power, this means this control for all the machine running, power on. Okay, the lighting, and here this control for this screen to setting, turn on. Okay, and this one just the adjuster for setting the temperature that's working with this oven. Now we are going to set that's the temperature for this heater. You can see there the button that set, click at this number 5U, then we can, and the last number landing, we can up and down the temperature which we want to work. Now we're setting about 106. That set. Okay, so now that's the heater already running more high. Even that temperature will come down. Similar with that we're setting. Okay. Okay. So we just turn right. It should be more high, and turn left. It should be the temperature come down. Okay. So just wait some seconds, that'll be the heating. Okay. And this one here, that's the dust switch, which means here, even we put the powder here, that's the roll be working. Okay. And this one adjuster for control the speed of this one. Turn left is slow. Turn right, be more faster. Okay. And this one, that we can hear the sounds. That's the shocker, the working. The shocker is working. Okay. We have both sides. Okay, two sides to running, and this one adjuster. You can see this faucet and lower. Okay. So that's how we see this one is working. This power already connected inside that shocker is controlled by a sensor. This smart controlled by a sensor inside, even a radio sheet or film that you can see with the sensor here. Even that sensor that the film reached the place, this should be keep working. Okay. We also can be adjust the rolling side. Okay, both sides that we can working. You can see it's working, right? So this roller should be controlled with that sensor inside. So all the machine should be ready to work. Okay. So here another thing, here that's not controlled by this setting, the temperature for this device is only controlled by this heater. That means we only keep the lamp continue working with road that the oven working with dry the print. Okay. So you can see here, keep running up the temperature inside. This step we're showing to how to throw that the print film sitting in the driver. Okay, you can see here, throw and keep. So it not be thrown out with. Now that we should be ready, that's the roller to be receiving. Okay, we need to okay, so firstly install them, lock screw a little bit, and another side. A little more adjust to the left, to the right side. Okay. And now that we should setting this film should be thrown in the middle place of this oven. That we need to do a little adjustment, which is because this side is A3, even with getting A3 plus, that be a little more wide. Okay. Okay, seems this should be okay. Then remember, this side should be the print side, so we are throwing here, and the running side should be running inside. Okay, they use any type of tape. A little bit. Okay, so let's be set up. Even we are filling the powder here, that powder. Let's see. If that's sucking, now you can see I just turn on the shaking. Okay, getting, that's fitting. It's working when this lighting change you see the green changed red light. That should be the roller working. Okay. And then normally the powder that we should be just filling here. That's the setting be okay. After we only need to be adjusted that the heater should give it about 5 minutes. It's getting running up to 110 degrees. That should become late or mostly the driving. Okay. I just turning this a little more bit. So the first time we should be a little more, or just maybe 2 or 3 times. That the temperature will become complete with the border and the print. That's all the step for help you to running this shaker for store. Thanks for your watching.